Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pawnee, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Pawnee, Cleveland, Jennings, Osage, Hallett, Blackburn, Turleton, Merrimack, Spinney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.